Everyone, and this video is the second part of the Java programming on class and object-oriented programming. So in the last video, we talked about what is a class and how to initialize. So in this set of videos, we'll be talking about what are the core concepts of object-oriented programming. So there are four main concepts: inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation and abstraction. So to help you remember these four concepts, you can use the key acronym IP. So IPEA, we can call it IP. So that probably can help you to remember these four core concepts. Okay, we will first look at inheritance. Inheritance is a method which one object, you inherits another object's property. So for example, a child inherits from parents their traits. So this is quite similar. So let's use an example of food. So we create a class called food with calories and a function called consume. So the child, or in this case the subclass, okay, will inherit from the food. So but it adds on additional traits. For example, a burger will have the saltiness. For the cupcake, you have the sweetness. So that makes them a little different, but they inherit the base, which is like the calories and the function consumed. So all these are part of how you can use class inheritance method. The second it will be polymorphism. It refers to objects having different forms. So let's take an example from the previous one, which is the food. You can see that food has the consume, this function, and you can see the cupcake and the burger, the consume function will run differently. So for example, the cupcake, you print out, it tastes sweet. But for the burger, when you run the function consume, it will do a different set of actions. You say it's salty. So this is an example of how each of the class, after inherited some of the traits, it can perform differently. The next one that we look into will be encapsulation. It's a process whereby you're wrapping data, to prevent it from being misused by parent objects and all this. So we'll talk about this in the next video. I'll see you in the next video.